What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Fortnite, some more Fortnite. And yes, I haven't made videos in a while because I am a little busy on school, so I can't really do videos every day. I'm sorry, but yeah, let's just enjoy our moment. Be thankful that I finally made a video, and yeah. Gameplay, and if you guys are wondering why, because I haven't done a video in a while because I had to go to get all these school supplies, and yeah, and it was the first day of school, so I had to wake up early, and yeah, I just had to wake up early because I just needed to. And I had to wake up at 6:30. You think I'm gonna make a video on 6:30? No. I never make a video early, and since you guys will get notified, and then you just uploaded. And yeah. And if you guys are wondering what? Oh, okay. No. Anything, I don't know, if you want to comment down a question about me, comment down below. What question, like what's my favorite candy? And yeah, candy just makes me go crazy. And yeah, I moved the face cam because I don't have any editing software yet, so I just moved my face cam. And yeah, it does really make me pretty hyper. I think ice cream makes me more hyper because like the score, bro. Oh, okay. You should have a more warming up time. So if you guys are wondering, well, I can't move the face cam now, but I'll probably do this now. Okay, well, can't do it. Go just look around. So yeah, you guys don't see my face. Yeah, there's my face. Comment down below if my face does not look beautiful. I think that too because like in my talking, yeah, I haven't talked about it. I'm very embarrassed when videos because like my talking sounds like so bad like in videos, so I need like a different voice. Well, that would kind of be a little creepy. I'm not trying to be a hater of editing or in FX or anything, but it's just hard. I don't have any editing software yet. You might think then, how do you have the face cam? Well, I only have one, okay? That's all, and I wish they put an update that when you break something on top of a chest, like it would still be there. That's pretty smart. Oh. Oh. Okay. And yes, you guys be wondering, how am I doing this on a laptop? Well, I'm doing gaming laptop, okay? It's easy, yeah, I know. And comment down below if you have Fortnite. If you don't, then I'm pretty sad for you. Because Fortnite is like the best game. Of course, everybody wants to play it. Well, I could just spend 20 minutes here building. Well, I only have max time. I know people can, but I don't have those kind of editing softwares yet. And yes, I do have an. Oh, dude, let's not just shoot this randomly. And yes, drink that shield. Drink. So yeah, yeah, I just had to switch my items. And yeah, mostly to like drop items is mostly easier for me, and since I didn't even get a chance to like drop stuff, but now it's like 10 times easier. My friend Hayden is like a pro. He has like season 5 battle pass. Comment down below if you have skins, because I don't. Yes. I wish I can film on my TV because I actually have a skin. Wait, the remote explosives are better. And yes. Yes, I always put my stuff in order. This is not like a game where you like the pill and all that. I get it. I get that. But yeah, I get it. It's not like life. Someone up here? I don't even know. And comment down below what's your favorite gun in the game. Yes, I know the parents. It's kind of bad, but no, there isn't any blood effects. All people do it, like kids. So yeah, so little kids, you can still watch this. I'm just telling you, parents, if you're watching this and you see me defeat someone, I am a bad player, so I don't really need to worry about that. Why do I have so much revolvers? I don't even have like something that's fast. So yeah, little kids can watch it too. I don't have like rules that saying, oh no, kids cannot watch this Fortnite game. I'm kind of bad, so if you like me being bad or good, that's probably to the kids' choice, but I'm not just trying to be bad for the people. Pick up. Oh my god, we got a Scar, ladies and gentlemen. That is my favorite gun. Comment down below what yours is. A pistol, to remove peeps, a Scar, anything. It doesn't need to be my favorite or anything. What's happening here? I got a Scar, so like... Okay. No! Okay, I got knocked. Okay, well, that was my first game. And comment down below, how many wins do you have? I probably said that like 20 times in a row. But I'm just wondering, oh, who's gonna get that legendary? Oh. Sugar grabs a purple, but he wants that golden. Okay. This is gonna be... What's in my locker? I don't even know what's in my locker. I'm looking for everything. Yes, all of these are the skins. I might save up my money for more if my parents let me. You guys might be like, you still have parents? Of course I do. I'm not a parent or anything. I don't know what it's talking about. I feel like banner. Are any different colors? No. They're all the same. I don't know what's in my locker or anything, so oh, we can see that bronze more. And yes, I'm on level 20 on the Xbox. And I got that all new shirt. It's favorite coloring star. Like 100% of girls and 80, actually 1%. I don't know anything about clothing. Boys like it more or girls. Let's play Sniper Shootout. Yes. And last time I placed 9th in this game. You might guys be thinking, whoa, that's so good. I know. But you jealous? You jealous? I'm not bragging or anything. But are you? I mean, have you placed 9th? Okay. I don't want to copyright anything from that song, but yeah, I hope that's not copyrighted. I mean, not copyrighted, but I hope it's not like curse or anything. Because if it is, crouch, 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 crouch. Yes, I'm crouching so fast. Everything stop. I wish you had more warm-up time. Because, like, you need to warm up. It's not like, oh, okay, we can do this. Like, you only give, like, I don't know, like 20 seconds? So yeah, if you guys are wondering about school, I know school is all lame to you guys, but guys, you just have to get used to it. Like, you're in a pool, and you don't like how cold it is, then you just gotta get used to it. It's not like you just say, oh, I'm out, no, too cold, no, playing Fortnite. Just come on, at least try, like, not just saying, no, this water's too cold, it's bad for me anyway. It's like, stop making excuses to play Fortnite, like, that's just stupid. Like, I'm a Fortnite fan, but I just get used to it, like, not like, just go to pool and say, oh, I want to play Fortnite instead of going to this dumb river. I know that. It's like when stuff are boring, when I go to like this party, it's not even fun that there's rules, like no running. No people under 8 years old can jump on the jumping walls. Like, come on. That's okay. Well, I think it's time to go. Yes. Goodbye, guys. Subscribe, like, notification bell so you never miss my videos. And yeah, goodbye. Peace. Peace. Look like alien ears. Okay, bye.